Alright, so driving down the road, I hear a nasty noise for just a second, then the belt slips, and my amp gauge just stops working. And when I mean the belt slips, I mean it just squealed for a second for whatever reason. But my amp gauge disappeared, as you can see. And then I come down here, something's squealing, but everything's all connected. What? Smoke. Okay. That doesn't look fucking good. Oh, you know what? I think that's just from water. I don't know. Is it though? Is that from water? From the rain just now? Yeah, it smells like just water. The smoke doesn't have a real scent to it. It just smells like steam. I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys. That's weird. Anyway, I'm gonna go upload this. Okay, no, this is not normal. This is like 3 minutes later. Look. Still doing it. Look at this shit. You see that? It's like coming up right there. I don't know how well the camera picks that up. I need to know what the fuck is going on here. Sorry for my language, but I am very unhappy. Now, mind you, brand new alternator, brand new compressor, brand new radiator, you know, it's a brand new vehicle. So where is that? Just steam from the rain? I've never seen anything like that before. It's so odd. But then there's just that whole noise, and my amp gauge disappeared. What the hell is going on?